Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 21, Part A. The diagram shows the graph of y equals 3x minus x cubed. The graph crosses the x-axis at A, at O, and at B. Find the x-coordinate of A and the x-coordinate of B. Give your answers as exact values. As the graph crosses the x-axis at points A and B, the value of y at these points is 0. Now let's substitute this value in our equation. The equation is y equals 3x minus x cubed. So we can write our equation as 0 equals 3x minus x cubed. Rearranging the equation by adding x cubed to both sides, x cubed equals 3x. Since x is not equal to 0 at points A and B, we can divide both sides by x, giving us x squared equals 3. Taking the square root of both sides, x equals plus or minus square root 3. Looking at our diagram, point B lies on the positive x-axis. So the value of x at point B is square root 3. Point A lies on the negative x-axis. So the value of x at point A is minus square root 3. Hence, the x-coordinate of A is minus square root 3, and the x-coordinate of B is square root 3, which are the answers. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.